and types of acupuncture that correspond to different traditions. Some practitioners burn plant material on the needles, called moxibustion. Others use electrical stimulation through the needles, or a recent addition, cool lasers. What is most important for this discussion is that an acupuncture session involves sitting quietly or laying quietly while a trusted authority figure shoves needles into your skin. There's a great deal of manual contact as the practitioner inserts the needles and applies certain motions, and a sense of relaxation. This creates an atmosphere of high suggestibility and a frequent painful stimuli followed by release, something that can stimulate the release of endorphins. We could also include acupressure here, which doesn't penetrate the skin but simply puts pressure on specific chi points. So, does it work? The short answer is yes. In the short term, say less than 2 days, you will feel some relief from certain kinds of pain. The magnitude is very small in the clinical trials that have been run, say 2 to 6 points out of 100 improvement over no therapy for a variety of painful conditions from arthritis to tooth pain. We could certainly walk away at this point and conclude that acupuncture is very slightly effective on the evidence. Many of the studies conducted by professional acupuncturists do. But the comparison doesn't have to just be between no treatment and acupuncture. We can also include a sham treatment, a placebo of acupuncture, if you will, just like we would for a drug trial. We have some options here. Some have used regular acupuncture needles but not placed them in chi points. Some use the needles in the right places but don't adjust them correctly or insert them deeply enough. My favorite, though, and the study I want to discuss, used, wait for it, toothpicks in place of acupuncture needles as a sham treatment. Can we agree in advance that if sham acupuncture with toothpicks works as well as regular acupuncture, that it's a clear placebo response? Because that's not what they found. No, they found that toothpick acupuncture works better than the real thing. And not just a little, but a lot. Both of them beat the no treatment group, but the toothpick group was the clear winner. In fact, the example I gave at the beginning are the numbers from this study, conducted by the NIH Office of Complementary and Alternative Medicine. The other